In the previous video, I gave you a function f of x here, equals sine of x, and then I asked you what values of x will give me a height of 0.5. So this is 0 here, this is 1. 0.5 will be halfway here. So what angles will give me a height of 0.5? And then I asked you to basically guess this value here. Well, there's a better method than guessing. Well, if I were to draw a triangle like this here, okay, and this here is the hypotenuse is 1, and you got to find out. Sorry, you got to hang on. Let me just enlarge this bit here. So we've got a triangle here, and the hypotenuse is 1. Don't forget this point here is here, okay, and I'm saying what values of the angle here, let's just call it theta for the time being, will give me a height of 0.5. So here you would you would normally do this. Well, you know you're going to need a sine. So here you would do sine of the angle equals 0.5 over 1. Now the question is, well, you ultimately want to find out the angle, because my question is, what angles will give me a value of will give me a height of 0.5? Well, you would work backwards here to find out this angle here. Okay, so here, well, this thing here would just be 0.5. So now sine theta equals 0.5. So to find out theta, you would inverse sine to both sides. So theta equals inverse sine of 0.5. So earlier when I asked you, well, in the previous video, I asked you what values of x. So what values, what angles will give me a height of 0.5? Well, you could just get a calculator and punch in inverse sine of 0.5. So, well, every calculator is different, but on this one here, hang on, every calculator is different, but on this one here, I would punch in 0.5, and then I would inverse that. On my calculator, there's an inverse, so I would press inverse and then inverse sine. So this one here. So the answer is 30. You see, this here is 30. When you put 30 into this thing here, then the overall thing here will be 0.5. Okay, and also remember the question is saying what values of the angle will give me a height of 0.5. Well, don't forget this one here will also give you a height of 0.5. So what that means is, well, if this angle here is 30, earlier this angle here is 30, that means this angle here is 30. But because we're talking about this point here, you have to go all the way around. Starting from here, you have to go all the way around here. Well, this is 90. From here to here is 90. So it will be 90. Well, if this is 30, then this must be 60. So I've got to add another 60 here, because this segment here is 30. So that means this segment here must be 60. So so that will give me 150. You see 0.5. You see 0.5 is here. So this here is 30, and the other 0.5 will be here. This one here will be 150. Okay. So you can either read off from the graph or just jump to your calculator and punch in inverse sine. Well, get an adult to help you. You got to punch it. Well, on my calculator, I need to press this button. Well, I need to punch in 0.5 for 0.5, and then I would press this button, and then I would have to press sine, inverse sine. Well, it depends on your calculator. Okay.